The Anywhere client is a browser-based client. So with this browser, I'm typing in the URL that I need. Right here, I put in localhost as my server name. You may need to put in a different server name here. But otherwise, let's just do the URL. That will bring us to the login screen like this. Also here, may need to put in your username and password. And of course, you can also save that. So let's do a login. And the first thing we see here is maybe some recent documents in our pinned folders. We can also go to the shared folder here and look into the folder structure there, like the sales folder with these documents here. And these documents can also be presented as a thumbnail presentation like this. All right, before we actually start opening one of these documents, let's look into what we can do from here with regard to, for instance, user preferences. We got a help option here. The user preferences here could be something related to Excel exports. So if you want to do that, repeat dimension members for all rows and columns. There's an About button here with the version number and a QR code for mobile devices. And the introduction thing here is this splash screen. This is what you would normally see when you start your client the first time. Notice here I actually checked this one, do not show me this again. You can also do that if you don't want to see it repeatedly every time you open your target client. And finally, we got our logout option here. That simply brings us back to our login page.